في ساحة للعلم كنا نلتقي، والحب والإخلاص زاد قلوبنا، نمضي إلى نور اليقين ونرتقي.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Our lesson is about today conversation 27. عشان كسابسي conversation 27 wadasheekeysiga 27. You are always afraid of practice. Don't laugh to people, but laugh with them. You are adigu always markasta afraid of practice. waxaad ka cabsataa practice-ka. B wuxuu ugu jawaabay don't laugh to people, dadka ku qosin, but laugh with them, laakiin iyaga la qosol. You are always afraid of practice. Don't laugh to people, but laugh with them. Don't suspect, look before you leap. Don't suspect hashakiin. Look ka fiirso before you leap intaanad boodin. Look before you leap, ka fiirso intaanad falin. Don't suspect. Look before you leap. Look before you leap. What a foolish person that you are. Let me interrupt you. What the foolish person that you are. Waa maxay ruuxan doonka ayaa tahay. What the foolish person. Waa maxay ruuxan doonka that you are adigu aad tahay. B wuxuu ku jawaabay let me interrupt you aan kaa dhex karo. Let me ogolow interrupt you inaan ku dhex karo ama hadalka kaa dhex karo. What the foolish person that you are. Let me interrupt you. Don't interrupt me. Give me a chance and I will give you. Don't interrupt me. Hay dhex gelin aniga. Give me a chance fursad and I will give you. Anna waan ku siin doonaa. Give me a chance fursad and I will give you. Anna waan ku siin doonaa. Don't interrupt me. Give me a chance and I will give you. Let me finish. Let me finish buu aan gabagabayno. Let me finish aan gabagabayno. Let me ogolow aniga finish inaan dhameeyo weeyaan. Let me finish.
Somali Online Academy. Somali Online Academy.